You fire up Claude Code, write a prompt, and assume your sub-agents are talking to you. They are not. They are talking to your primary agent. That one mistake breaks every multi-agent system engineers build this week. Here's the actual flow. You talk to the primary agent. The primary agent talks to sub-agents. Sub-agents report back to the primary agent, not to you. The primary agent synthesizes and reports to you. Most engineers miss the direction of that second arrow, and it changes everything about how you write sub-agent system prompts. What you write in an agent/directory file is not a prompt. It is the system prompt of the sub-agent, the fixed top-level instructions. The user prompt the sub-agent receives comes from the primary agent at runtime, not from you. This distinction controls what information is available and how the agent reasons. If you write it like a user prompt, you will get garbage delegation. The description variable in a sub-agent config is how the primary agent decides which sub-agent to invoke. It is the delegation contract. Write it vaguely and the primary agent will invoke the wrong agent or none at all. Write it as, use this agent when X. When prompting this agent, tell it Y. That instruction to the primary agent embedded in the description is what separates useful sub-agents from expensive confusion. Isolated context is sold as a benefit, and it is. Each sub-agent starts fresh, focused on one task, less likely to hallucinate from accumulated conversation drift. But the same isolation is the failure mode. The sub-agent has zero history. It only knows what the primary agent explicitly passes in its prompt, designed for that. If the sub-agent needs a file path, the primary agent must provide it. If it needs the rubric, the primary agent must attach it. Nothing is assumed. Spotify's internal Claude Code deployment, 73% of pull requests are AI authored, 500 deployments per day. That number is not possible with one agent iterating. It requires a fleet parallel sub-agents working isolated branches, reporting back to orchestrators, with humans reviewing outputs rather than generating them. The build review loop is the simplest production-safe pattern. One Claude writes. One Claude reviews against a rubric, human ships what passes. The Bob and Ray pattern, Bob writes code against a spec. Ray receives the spec and Bob's output, nothing else, and reviews against the same rubric. Bob cannot explain himself to Ray. Ray cannot ask Bob clarifying questions. Ray either passes or flags specific line-level failures. Human ships what Ray passes. This is adversarial review by construction, and it is why multi-agent systems catch errors that single-agent systems do not. Here is what the evidence shows. Your turn, open your agent's directory. Pick one sub-agent you already have. Read its description field out loud. Ask, does this tell the primary agent when to call this agent and what to pass it? If no, rewrite the description now. That one field is the lever. Everything else follows from it.